Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
1 second, guys. Hi guys. Adya. Okay. Let me go ahead and mark Rajans. Okay, how about this? Charan is present, Vian is present, Tat is present, Vaibhav is present, Avi is present. Sarvata, are you here, ma? Sarvata? Oh yeah. Hey, I'm not seeing you in the video, ma.
Priya Sarvata just stepped out. She'll come.
No worries, no worries. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Mm. Akshat,
Yeah.
are you good to see you, Akshat, after the break? How
Mm.
was the break? How was India?
It was fun.
You had a good time?
Mm.
That's what your mom said.
Yes.
Han, how are you? I'm not seeing you on the video.
Oh, I'm good. It took a while to start working.
Okay, no problem, Sarvata. But Arihan, are you there or not? How do I know? Viraj? Where is Viraj?
I'm
Oh,
here.
Viraj. Good job. Okay. Okay, Arihan, I just want to know whether you're here, Arihan.
I'm here.
Yes, you're there. Good job. Neil. Okay. Let's go ahead. Did I not call anybody? No, I'm good, I think. Okay. Hi, Vaibhav. How are you finding?
Good.
Any questions that you wanted to discuss, guys, with me from the past? From the past, did you want to discuss anything with me?
So I was on like Google the other day and I wanted to like figure out some stuff I could do as like extra.
Sure.
So I was wondering if there's anything you suggested, like math competitions or something that I could sign up for.
Amma, absolutely. This class, anybody can sign up for. Okay, let me give you a brief of that as well. Math Kangaroo will come up shortly, right? That the registration I don't do. Meaning I do it in Brentwood here. Okay, for my local kids, whoever are here, they come and take it. But for you all, you sign up online or you sign up in the local library. Plano Public Library conducts it, or you can take it in other places like RSM, or you can take it in what other places? Some see there are several Texas local centers that conduct it. If you're not in Texas, yes, Vaibhav for you, yeah, you can take it either at Nashua or you can appear in Brentwood. In my place at the library, I volunteer to conduct that. So Math Kangaroo is one. Okay, Math Kangaroo is more fun math. Okay, then what else? Niotic contest is coming up. Yes, I have not rolled out any registration details for our team. I will do it in 2 weeks. Okay.
Miss Priya.
Yeah, other than that, Nayati contest will come up. 1 minute, let me finish, guys. In the announcements in Math Rangers, I will make sure I post it Aradhya. Make sense? And on another note, Math Olympiad for elementary and middle schools. That is coming. Okay. But I can accommodate only a set number of kids as well. I will definitely circulate it. Let's see. Okay, I can only, for that alone, I can accommodate only a set number of kids. Okay. So you can definitely sign up. If you are under 5th and 6th grade, okay, from between 4 and 6 grades, it is coming under elementary. 7 and 8 come under middle school division. However, those who are in 6th grade, you and I can talk and decide which division do you want to appear in. You can either attempt elementary or you can attempt middle school. If you have never attempted competition, it's better to attempt in elementary. If you already know about the Math Olympiad format, you can go ahead and attend middle. Any questions? So I gave you input about 3 different ones, right?
Isn't there 4 to win?
Yeah, I forgot, Vian. I forgot about it. Yes, I wanted to conduct the. You want to do it now?
I mean, we can do it sometime else in the week.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I don't want to take away class time as well. So definitely I'll do it. Meaning, it's in my brain, but I did not create a group because this is my first week of the fall classes and too many things are taking time. I did not concentrate on creating the For the Win group. I will definitely make you get in. Make sense?
Yeah.
But some of you didn't want to, right? Let's see. I'll talk to you about the end of the class. Now, can we move on with our book?
Will we screen share our alchemist?
Alchemist, where are we? I don't want every week. I don't want to take up time. Can we do it next week?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think next week we'll do the screen share. Let's go ahead and discuss more problems this week. Okay. How about let's go ahead and try a few. This one should be easy on you guys. I'll start with easy ones, then we'll go to complicated ones. Okay. How about this? I can get the answer for this one. Hey, Sarvata, school started, huh?
Yeah, it also started for me.
Okay.
It started 1 day ago.
It
So
did.
what are they teaching?
Yeah.
Mine started on Wednesday.
So what are they doing? What are they doing in school?
Really, only on Monday we'll like actually start learning things.
Yeah.
Right now it's right now until Friday is kind of just like an orientation but longer.
Yeah.
Like rules. They're just going over rules.
Right now for us, we're doing square roots.
Oh, square roots. See, square roots is what I wanted to do today. Okay, that is chapter 9 here. I really wanted to go over that. All this stuff. Let me see. Unit number 9 is what I'm going to go ahead and do, but I'll come back. I'll come back to this, but let's finish this. I want to finish this unit 4 first of all, and then I can go to equations later. Go ahead. How about this?
Did we send in chat?
Yes, please. So I really want to understand how you guys do this. This is mixed number subtraction, right?
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
Riyan, I expect everybody to get this correct. Yeah. Akshat, correct.
Could I explain?
Yes, ma. Now you want to explain? Go ahead. That nice to know. What are they teaching that?
Well, I think we're gonna start learning on Monday because we didn't do anything yet.
Okay. Okay. Arhan, Charan, Arhan, everybody got it right. Guys, one request only I have. Okay. Everybody, please take responsibility to answer. If you don't know, just say you don't know. Okay. Don't make me pick. Neil, get me the answer. Devansh, get me the answer. Yeah.
So, when I go to chat, for me, it says chat is disabled. I don't know why.
No problem. Open the chat window. Go to the top left corner. There is a blue button. Click on it and
Oh, yeah, I see. New chat, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Neil, how did you get that answer, Neil? Can you explain?
Oh, I see my problem. Can I solve again?
Yeah, you can solve again. You wanted to go over it? Yes, Vian, go ahead.
So what I did was instead of making this like a fraction, I saw the common like 4 can go into 8 2 times. So what I do, 4 7 by 8 minus 1 6 by 8 was equal to 3 1 by 8.
Yep, you can subtract the whole numbers and then you can subtract the fractions. Now, I want Vaibhav to tell me, how did you do, Vaibhav? I just want to know what is your thought process, okay?
I did the same exact way.
Oh, you also did whole number minus the fractions, huh?
Yep.
Okay, good to know. Okay, great. Nice. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let's move on. Hey, Arihan, why are you not answering? Arihan,
Yes.
why are you not answering? Did you answer this question?
No.
Okay, let me quickly remind Kabir. I don't know why.
I don't think he's here.
I know. See, that's why I said I'll ping them. I know that he's the only person who is not in here, so I wanted to ping his dad. I just pinged.
Wait, wasn't he supposed to do like a project on past close triangle?
That's true, right? He disappeared. For summer, he was traveling and traveling and traveling that he never attended any of the classes. So I'm really waiting to see what he did and stuff. He's not here. That's okay. Okay.
He came back from India. He told me like last Wednesday.
Yeah, he would have attended school. That's okay. We'll see. Maybe they forgot. Okay. They've signed up. So it's that they are there, but then they'll come. Okay. So let's move on now. Okay. But I'm glad to know, Viraj. How about this? 3 by 19 times. Vaibhav, your school has not opened, right?
No.
Okay, good. How about this? 3 by 19 times 95 minus 3. Guys, I really want to understand how you guys are doing. It's not the answer I need on these. Is there any, yeah, I can pick out a volunteer. Arihan, do you want to explain?
But I didn't solve it yet, but I have a strategy.
Why don't you
Um,
explain?
Could I send it in the chat?
Yeah, please.
My strategy is like using distributive properties. So like you
Wonderful.
so it can basically be instead of 3 over 19 times 95 minus 3 over 19 times 57, you can rewrite it as 3 over 19 times whatever 95 minus 57 is, which is 37.
Very nice, Arihan. So here, guys, I really see the intent of doing fraction multiplication division in this class is this. Just trying to understand the strategy that you'll be using.
30.
See, this is
38.
common to both. Take that as common. Then you have distributive property. 95 minus 57 inside. Sarvata, did you do it this way?
Yes.
Aradhya, did you do it this way?
Yes.
Okay, good. So that way, see here, it will be 8. This is 38. 3 by 19 times 38, which is 6. Okay, now let's see.
Priya,
Yama,
I did it a different way.
what did you do?
Well, so since 3/19 times 95 once, I
Okay.
just canceled out the 95 and the 19, so I got 3 times 5, which is 15, and then I did 3/19 times 30. Wait, what?
57. Go ahead.
Times 57. Then I got 9, and 15
Uh,
minus 9 equals 6.
which is really okay in this case. Okay, in this case, it is okay. It was easy numbers. But going further, I really want you to take it out, apply distributive property and do, because it so much reduces complexity. Okay, so how about this? Try this. Let me one. Go ahead, guys. Please make it a point to answer. Even if you don't know, make it a point to answer. Don't make me bug you. Really, I'm not getting that answer. What is going on? Oh, what do you want to clarify, Ma? Did I not write it nicely, Aradhya?
I can't tell what the 1/2 plus something is.
Which one, Ma? See, have I written it nicely here?
Yeah, now I
Okay.
can see it.
Okay. Charan, for the previous problem, it was right. We have come here, right? Do you want to try this one? And I also wanted to try some Moem's problems with you guys. Let me see, guys. Math Olympiad problems. Let's see.
Is my answer correct?
I will check ma 1 minute. I want to get some Math Olympiad problems for you guys. Give me a minute, okay? Oh my gosh. Click here. Okay. Solutions. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, let's see. This is for division 7 now. Which division? I don't know. Okay, anyway. Oh no, it's not given. Okay. I'm getting different answers, guys. Sarvata, is your answer right? I'm wondering. Vihan, when you express it as a fraction, right? A fraction has to have a whole number in the numerator, whole number in the denominator. We can never combine decimals and fractions when you express answers. So can it be decimal in the numerator, decimal in the denominator, you think? Okay, let me give you clues. First, do this. Okay. And then why don't you try doing this? Then the second step is done. Then you can do this.
Wait, Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
I'll check ma.
Wait, is mine too?
Several of you didn't get it. It's okay.
Mine correct?
Yeah, Auntie, I have a question.
Yeah, ma, tell me.
I don't know how to simplify complex fractions.
Oh, that's okay. I'll go ahead and work out.
Is my corrected answer correct?
I'll wait. 2 by 6.
Is mine also correct?
Was mine correct?
I'll check, ma. Several of you didn't get it. I'm a little off. Beyond. Okay, I didn't get it from Sharan Viraj. Okay. Viraj, I'll help you. Okay, Sarvata, no ma. Aradhya, that seems, so it is, I don't know, 5, 7 by 5. That doesn't seem right. Okay, let me go ahead and try. Okay, let me go ahead and try on the board. Okay, Vaibhav, would you like to go through with me? You go ahead, Vaibhav. You have some answer, right? You go ahead and tell me what you did.
So first I added the 2 and 1/2, which is equals to 2 and 1/2.
Good job. 1 minute, ma. 1 minute. Let me write it on the board. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by. What happened? What was the answer?
I got 2 and 1/2.
That's right. 2 and 1/2. So when you express it as a fraction, what happened to that?
Huh?
When this is a mixed number, right? When you express
Yeah.
it as an improper fraction, what will you get?
3
Mm-hmm.
and 2 and 1/2.
3 and
2 and 1/2.
2
Like-
and
3 divided by 2 and 1/2.
3 divided by
And 1/2.
no. 2 1 by 2. If you express it as a improper fraction, what it is? 2 times 2
3
is
by 2. It's 3 by 2.
No, right? 2 times 2 is 4
Oh,
plus
4
1.
by 2.
4 plus 1 by 2. So can I say it as 5 by 2, Vaibhav?
Yeah.
Good. Now 5 by 2. But 1 divided by 5 by 2 is what? 1 divided by 5 by 2 is what? You go ahead. 1 divided by 5 by 2 is what? Can I change it to multiplication?
Yeah.
Go ahead. What happens? 1
1,
multiplied by
2 by 5.
5. So it is exactly 2 by 5. Now I come to a point where I can combine 2 plus 2 by 5. Why by you continue. What happens when you add 2 plus 2 by 5?
It becomes 2 and 2 by 5.
2 by 5 is a mixed number, right? What is the improper fraction?
Improper fraction is 7,
5 times
9 by 5.
5 times 2, 10.
Oh, 12 by 5.
Good job. 12 by 5. Now what happens? 1 divided by 12 by 5 is what?
1 divided by 12 by 5. 1 times 5 by 12.
Good job. That becomes 1 plus 5 by 12, right?
Yep.
So what is the answer? 1 5 by 12.
Yep.
Guys, did you all get it? So this is where I was put off. That's why I did not answer. Did I get it right? Did I get it right? Did you all get it? Avi, did you get it?
Yeah, I remember. I got it.
Okay, because none of you got the answer. So that's why I was a little off. So no problem. Okay, this is something where we need help. I'm understanding. Okay, so let me go a little lower. Okay, that way we do things correctly. Let's see. How about this?
Am I right?
Yeah, sorry, 1 minute. I was looking at Olympiad problem for you guys. Sorry. I have to check, guys. 2 plus 1 by 2. By 2. Yeah, Avi correct. That's correct. You guys got it now. Charan got it. Why you think, Charan? Be confident. Aradhya correct, ma. Vian. Is that right? I don't know. Vian, that's not right. Vihan correct. Sarvata correct, ma. Akshat correct. Vian, can you fix and tell me?
Okay.
Vaibhav, yes, almost correct. Is the denominator correct, ma? I think it was a typo. Can you check? Vian, I need your answer. Redo and send. Devansh, how did you get that? Devansh, I need one mixed number. That's all.
A mixed number?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Only one. You cannot ask me to divide a mixed number by mixed number.
Okay.
Arhan, that's right. Viraj, that's right. Okay, I'm going to anyway do it once. Okay, some of you are getting it and some of you didn't. It's okay.
No.
Did you see, Vaibhav? What was the denominator?
Yeah, I did. I made a mistake. I'm just checking it.
Doesn't matter at all. Did you see what was the denominator? You did very well.
No.
Okay, let's go ahead and see. 2 plus 1 by 2. Vian or Vaibhav, you can answer this. 2 plus 1 by 2 is what?
5 by 2.
5 by 2. So 1 divided by 5 by 2 is just the flipping. 2 by 5 plus 1. So answer is 1, 2 by 5. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, Vaibhav is also good. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this is again telescoping. Let's see how about this. Take it slowly, guys. Take it slowly. Please, I would like to get all of you getting it right and then move on. I'm going to go ahead and talk about something totally, not only partially in the book today, okay, after this. This is just fractions, right? This one might be very easy, but I'm going to talk about completely chapter unit 9, which deals with square roots. So let's see. Yes, Vihan, thanks for your message. Take your time. I'll also check. 2 by 5. Good. Do you get a 29 in the denominator, Akshat?
I put the wrong number. I'll put
No. Wait, Akshat. Maybe I calculated it incorrectly because Avi also has the same thing. Let me quickly check.
Wait.
2 by 5. Sorry. Also 4. 12 by 5 by 12. Yeah. Avi, Akshat, you got it right, guys. Sarvata got it. That can you check? We re-verify that slowly. That.
Is mine correct?
Yes, Vihan. Aradhya, sorry, I didn't check yours. Did you send, ma?
Yeah.
Not really, right? Can you check one by one, slowly? First do this, then flip it because 1 by, right? And then do this, again flip it because it's 1 by again. Yes, Vaibhav. Good job. Don't worry if you don't get the answers, okay? We will do it, redo it, and that's the intent of the class. If you do it correctly, you should not be belonging to this class.
Miss Priya.
Yeah,
Did
go
I get it
ahead.
right?
What is it, ma?
Did I get it right?
Vian, right? Yes. Okay, some of you are stuck. Are you stuck? No, right? Yes, no. Okay, let me do it once so that Aradhya has her answer. 1 second. Yes, correct, ma. Aradhya, that's right. So, when you think about it, right? This is 2 1 by 2. What is 2 1 by 2? It is 5 by 2. This is 5 by 2, right? 1 divided by 5 by 2 is just flipping it. When you think about it, it's 1 times 2 by 5, which is 2 by 5, right? So this becomes 2 by 5 and the entire denominator becomes 2 by 5. What is 2 by 5? This is 12 by 5. But 1 divided by 12 by 5 becomes 5 by 12, right? So I rewrite this like this. Now here, this is 29 by 12. Flip it, 12 by 29. So 1 plus 12 by 29 is 112 by 29. Any questions? Okay, guys. I'm going to stop with this here, or maybe one last problem. So, okay, how about this, guys? You all know I'm thinking. Let's see. This is the last problem that we'll do in fractions. Because see, addition, subtraction, multiplication, distributive property, telescoping, all that we have done now. So let's see. Subtraction, you can take care of it. I'm not going to do.
Miss Priya, am I correct?
Yeah, one more problem, one more AMC problem we'll do. Yeah, I'm checking. I don't know. I have to check. Wait. Okay, let me check now. Arihan, you have to simplify and then only answer. Yeah, Vian correct.
What do you
Are we
mean
correct?
simplify? Isn't it?
Simplify. The fraction can't be 4 by 6, right? Fractions can never be 4 by 6. It's 2 by 3, right?
Is my answer correct, Miss Priya?
Who was that? I didn't see. Who was that? Sorry.
Me, Devansh.
Yeah, Devansh. 1 minute. Sarvata correct, ma. Akshat correct. Devansh correct. Okay, so you're all good with these. So let's see. Aradhya. Aradhya, 1 second. What is 11 by 3 as a mixed number?
I did put it in as a mixed number.
But is your mixed number correct?
Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Did you want to change it? Change it. But your answer was correct. I didn't say it was incorrect. Correct, Arihan. Thank you. Viraj, can you explain how you did? I'll help you, Viraj. Go ahead.
So I did 7 times 3,
Mm-hmm.
which is 21 plus 1, 22. 22 by 3, and then you reciprocal it.
Yeah, 1 minute. 22 by 3 multiplied by what?
By 2.
1 by 2.
Oh.
So any numerator can be cancelled with any denominator, right? It doesn't have to be the same denominator numerator. So now 22 by 2 is what? 11. So answer is 11 by 3 or 3 2 by 3. Any questions? Okay. One last question. Let me see how good you apply. Arhan, did you get the answer? Arhan and Vaibhav, did you get the answers? Yes, Vaibhav got
I
it.
sent it to you.
Yeah, I saw ma. Sorry. Arhan, did you get the answer?
Yeah.
Dutt, did you get the answer? I don't remember seeing an answer from you, Dutt.
Yeah, I got it.
Let me see. Did you send it to me? Are you sending? Yeah, I'll check now. Go ahead. Do you think you can do this? Charan got it, but I don't remember seeing from Dutt. Dutt, that was incorrect, right, Dutt?
I know, but then I understood after you told.
Okay, good, ma.
Wait, Miss Priya?
Yeah.
So in the problem,
Yeah.
so like the first equation, 1 minus 1/2, for that, the result, do you multiply that with 2? Or
Correct.
do you just
Correct.
Okay.
Don't let the cat out of the bag. Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
The way you're proceeding is correct.
Okay, whatever.
Uh, I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Good job. Sarvata, how did you get that? Can you explain? I thought it was something different. Vihan, how did you get that? You have to explain to me.
I see what I did wrong.
No problem. You can recorrect and send it to me, ma. Vihan, go ahead. How did you get that?
Wait, Miss Priya, I just now noticed my mistake.
Yeah, you can correct it. Vihan, you can shout out, Vihan. I'm here to help. Go ahead. You don't want to explain?
Wait, did I get it right?
Yes, I don't know.
Okay, if you don't want to, I will not force you. That's fine. But there's something incorrect about it. Can you check? You're doing great, right, Vihan?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have to explain as well. That has to be a part and parcel of you. But that's okay. If you don't want to, I respect it. That's right, Arhan. Good job.
Miss Priya.
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Aradhya, correct, ma. Vaibhav, there's something incorrect. Arihan, there is something.
Yeah, I'm changing my answer.
Sure. Avi, correct. Vian, correct. Devansh, I didn't get your answer. Arhan, good job. So let me try, guys. So here it's just that you have to apply what we learned.
Priya, auntie.
Yeah, Ma.
Did I get it correct now?
Vaibhav, good job, but you missed a little bit. See that what you, however you proceeded is right this time. Perfectly
Is
right.
my correct
So
answer
one minute. Let me finish with Vaibhav. Vaibhav, you have to write down fully. Don't miss anything. One by one, meaning what you'll get for this, what you'll get for this, what you'll get for this. Don't, please write it down, and then finally also write down what you'll get for this. And then do step by step. When you redo and resend, you got it, but you unnecessarily added extras. So you will have to remove that. Aradhya, yes, sure, you can explain. Go ahead, Aradhya.
So basically, it's
1 minute. Okay, go ahead.
so it's like in a pattern. So for the first one, 2 times 1 minus 1/2, which is 2 times 1/2, which equals 1. And then it's kind of the same thing. So the next one equals 2, then 3, all the way up to 9. And then you just add that all together and get 45.
4 times 1 by 4, and then it goes on till 10 times 9 by 10. So the problem here is 2 get cancelled. 3
That's 2 over 3.
Oh, I'm sorry, ma. 2 over 3. This is 3 over 4, right? Okay, good. So now when after all these cancelling, right, what are you left with? 1. That's in Vaibhav, you did the same mistake. It ends at 9, not 10. Did you see that?
No,
Did you see that it ends at 9? So answer is 45.
No,
Answer is?
Oh,
You got it?
yeah.
Yeah, I just figured it out.
Great. Okay, good. Okay, now I really want to go to real number system. I want to discuss irrational numbers, rational numbers. See, the number system that we use, right? The numbers that we use, right? All are real numbers. Okay, those exist. Real numbers means really they're numbers. So the smallest group of numbers is what?
Counting numbers.
Counting numbers. What does it entail? Meaning, what does this group entail? What does this group? This group entail starts from what?
1.
It doesn't include the zero. Yes, Akshit. What does it include?
1 and any
It has
any whole number and above.
So it starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it goes on. Okay, I'm going to draw a Venn diagram now. Okay, this is not in the book, but you all need to know this. Okay, so here, counting numbers. Then the next set of numbers that I can describe is whole numbers. Whole numbers include all of the counting numbers. That is why I put the outer circle as whole numbers.
And 0.
But the inner circle is contained in it, right? So the counting numbers are also called as whole numbers. However, if I ask you what is 3, you have to be very specific and tell the smallest circle. If you ask 3, you can't call it as whole number to me. You have to say it as a counting number because that is the smallest circle to which it belongs to. Okay. Now, whole numbers include one extra number, which is 0. Now, the next set of numbers. Do you all know what is the next set of numbers? Integers. Now, integers consists of all negative numbers. What negative numbers? All negative numbers means minus 1. All negative whole numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, and so on. When I call out integers, it includes all counting numbers, all whole numbers, and the negatives. So that is why the integer circle or the ellipse has counting numbers inside it and whole numbers inside it. Then comes the bigger set of numbers called the rational numbers. What does this do?
They have numbers like with decimals and fractions.
Good job. Arihan, you have something to say?
With a known pattern.
Yeah, exactly. Any fraction, right? 1 by 17, 1. Any number that can be represented in the format P divided by Q, which is a fraction, are rational numbers. Okay. Now, how about decimals? Decimals 1.3333333. Do you think it's rational?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. all fractions and decimals that have a pattern of repetition.
Miss
They are
Priya?
called, Yama?
Miss Priya, could I draw the irrational circle box?
Sure.
So the irrational circle wouldn't overlap the rational. I think it would go right here.
I didn't get you, Vihan. What is that?
The irrational circle won't go in any of these. It will only go into the real numbers section because irrational.
Wait. Are you talking about irrational numbers?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
So the irrational number section, they won't really be in any of the circles except the real numbers. So they'll be in a box like this.
Good job. So outside of this entire ellipse belong a particular group of numbers. Those are called irrational. Irrational. They are not rational at all. They are insane numbers. Whereas rational numbers have sanity in them, meaning they are very sane in the sense you know how they repeat. This is also a rational number. What does this mean? The 3 gets repeated. 3 4 3 4 3 4 gets so they know their repetition pattern, so they're sane. That is why they're called rational numbers. Whereas this group of irrational numbers, pi, you don't know how. See, 3.14, after this you don't know the pattern of repetition of the decimal digits. After the decimal point, you don't know the pattern of repetition of the digits, then they are irrational. So what other numbers? Square root of 2, square root of 3. Before I talk about that, right, do you all know what is square root function? Do you all know? Viraj, do you know?
Can you repeat what is what?
I'm asking, do you know what is square root of 3? What is square root of 2? Do you know what is the square root? What do you know the concept of square root?
Yes.
Yes.
I guess square root of 2 is 1.57 something.
Yeah. I don't know. I don't want the value, Arihan. I appreciate that you know though. Vaibhav, do you know what is square root numbers?
No.
Okay, no problem. So here, pi, square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5. All these are irrational numbers. Let me finish and then come to that explanation. Okay. Now, the set of rational, irrational, this big rectangle are real numbers. Now, I start with counting numbers. Then 0 gets added, it becomes whole numbers. Then the negatives get added, it become integers. Then fractions and decimals whose repetition pattern is clear. They are rational numbers. Outside of the rational numbers, you have irrational numbers. What are rational numbers? Decimals, where you don't know the repetition pattern. They are irrational numbers. Now, the set of rational and irrational numbers belong to the real number system. Now, given any number, you should know what each is. Before, yeah, please, Arihan.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, so imagine you have all that real numbers rectangle. There's also something outside of it, and then there's these things like imaginary numbers.
Okay. He's talking about what are not real numbers. Real numbers, good job, Arihan. I'll bring that up.
Wait, so
Aren't those I? Aren't they classified as I?
Yep. We talked about real numbers.
I guess the I stands for imaginary.
We talked about rational, irrational.
Isn't the square root of -4 2i?
No, it was the square root of -1.
Exactly.
Yeah, aren't they like I? Something.
Yeah, imaginary numbers, it is out of the scope now. Okay, I'm not going to discuss that. But numbers that are represented by 4i, 3i, 3 plus 2i, all these are imaginary numbers that exist only in the imaginary world. Okay, they're not real numbers and it is currently out of scope. Okay, I don't want to discuss that and lose track of square roots. That is what I wanted to discuss actually. What is this? 2 square is what? 4. 3 square. 3 square means 3 is repeatedly multiplied 2 times, right? 9. 4 square is 16. Now, this is squaring, correct? When I go from here to here, it's squaring. But when I do the opposite, it's square root. What is square root of 4?
2.
So, Vaibhav, did you see what is square root of 4 means? The opposite of squaring.
Oh, okay, yeah.
What number times the same number is 16. So it is 4. Similarly, square root of 25 is 5. So like that, the opposite of squaring is square root. Now I'm going to move on. Having said this, if I put, what is the symbol called? Anybody?
Radical sign.
Radical sign. Good job. What is radical sign? Whatever is inside, the number you put inside is called radicand. Okay. Now, if I ask you to simplify means the number that's inside, right, should basically be simplified. Basically, square root of 16 can be simplified. But how do you simplify this? You can write 16 as prime factors. What are prime factors? Factors that are prime numbers. So 2 times 8 is 16. 2 is a prime number. Now 8 can be split into 2 times
4
4.
and 2 and 2.
Prime number. 4 can be split into 2 times 2. Right? So now 16 can be written as 2, 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. How do you simplify this? When you take square roots, for every 2 copies of the same number, you take one of them out and write. For every 2 copies of the same number, you can take one of them and write. Inside there are no numbers without pairs. So you don't have to be bothered. When you multiply these two, you get a 4. So square root of 16 is simplified to a 4. Now let me go ahead and explain. Square root of, before that, wait. Square root of 16, I said I simplified it to a 4, right? But when you think about it, this 16 can be written as 4 times 4 or minus 4 times minus 4. Vaibhav, are you on board with me? Viraj, are you on board with me?
Priya, can I add something?
1 minute, Arihan. Vaibhav and Viraj, are you with me?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yes, Arihan, go ahead.
One second.
Go ahead. You wanted to say something?
Yeah. Are we gonna discuss cubes and cube roots?
Yeah, I'll bring it up. Since you asked, I'll bring it up. Now I'm going to erase that and I'm going to move on. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So now 16, square root of 16 can be written as 4 times 4, or it can also be written as minus 4 times minus 4. As I said, when you take square roots, right, 2 copies of the same number, if it is present, you can remove one out. So it can be 4 or it can be minus 4. So square root of 16 can be a plus 4 or a minus 4. In short, you can write it out as plus or minus 4. Do you guys get it?
Yeah.
Square root of 16 can be a plus or minus 4. But as we move along, right, if you keep saying plus or minus, plus or minus, plus or minus, it becomes so confusing. So I always take only the positive square root as the principal square root. Principal square roots is the only thing we take and move on. But for understanding's sake, if they ask you about square root of 16, it can be plus or minus 4. But to simplify things, we only take the principal square roots and always answer as positive numbers for now. But in another 1 or 2 years, you will have to account for that negative. You got it? For now, we'll only take the principal square roots and move on. Can I keep going?
Yes.
Okay, now let's consider this. What about, okay, how to simplify this? 150. Simplify, okay, this one I'll do, guys. This one I'll do, please. 150, again, I'm going to write it in terms of the product of prime numbers. How? What can I say? This is 10 times 15, both are composite numbers. Split it, 5 times 2 prime numbers. Then again split this 15, 5, 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Now, with this in place, 150 can be written as 5 times 2 times 5 times 3. Now what do I do?
Take the 5s out.
You can take the 5s out because they have their pairs nicely. So I can take the 5 out. But the 2 and the 3 do not have their pair and they have to stay inside. So square root of 150 can be simplified as 5 times root 6. Now, I have questions. Charan and Dutt, did you understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Neil, how about you, ma?
Sorry, I think I disconnected because it was not in the meeting for me, and I had to get in.
Are you looking at the board?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do problems. Let's see. Okay, with Neil, I have to watch out. Okay, how about you, Vaibhav? Did you get it?
Yep.
Okay, good. Okay, how about this, guys? I just want you to simplify this and let me know the answer. What is the simplified value of that? What is the simplified value of that? Number 1. Number 2, what is the simplified value of 2 power of 6 times 3 power of 2 times 5 power of 4? What is the simplified values of these? And what is the simplified values of 4, 6, 1, 8, 3, 4, 9, 2 square? 3 questions.
Do we send them in chat?
Yes, ma, would be great.
Wait, what's a square root symbol?
What SQRT? Put it as SQRT. See, I really wanted to cover a little bit more. Let's see.
I know that latex notation thingy. 1 second. So it was this thing like you would put like the 1 second. SQRT. I do like the F thing, and sometimes it needs you square notation.
That's true. You know what is it called, Arihan? You know what is it called?
Radical.
No. That I know. See, the symbol is called the radical. But if you put that SQRT, it is giving you the square root sign, right? What is it called? What is that? How does it convert it? How does that know if you type square root SQRT?
SQ stands for like square, and then I'm guessing RT stands for root.
No. That is fine, Arihan. But how does it convert to that sign? What is the language in which it understands?
Latex form.
Yeah. So you know how to write it in latex form? Latex, right?
I know how to write some square. I know how to write the square roots.
Uh-huh.
Latex. Yeah. And I also know.
Do you know how to write fractions in latex form?
Let me try. I'll send you a chat.
Sure. If you're really going to pursue a lot of math, you should know latex.
How are we supposed to send the answer in chat?
Why, ma? SQR.
How do we form?
Okay, ma. See, okay. Let me tell you. Suppose if your answer is 2 square root of 3, right? I'll type it out as 2 SQRT 3. Does that make sense?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Akshat, I'm waiting for your answer.
I'm typing it.
Is my first and second answer correct?
Neil, your answer is right. So you understood, Neil. Aradhya, what happened to another 5 that's inside the radical, ma? What happened to another 5 that's inside the radical?
Miss Priya.
Vihan, you have given me the answer for the third one, which is perfectly correct. But what happened to the answer for first and second?
Could you check my answers, Miss Priya?
I do it. I just need time.
That's right, Neil. Second answer is as well correct.
Is mine right, Miss Priya?
Neil, my only request, can I make this request? I really want you to be in the class physically and mentally. Okay, no switching tabs at all.
Is my latex form
Humble request. I'll keep a close watch on that. Because if you guys switch tabs, I'll clearly know. That's why I'm asking you to be on the video. Yes. Vaibhav, can you educate me? How did you put it into prime factors for the first one? Seems like you got one piece right, one piece incorrect. Can you tell me?
I did.
Miss Priya. Miss Priya, did I get it right?
1 minute. Arihan, your third answer is right, but where are the first two? And your latex for fraction is correct. Akshat, that is correct. Second one seems incorrect. Akshat, second one seems incorrect. Other than that, everything is correct. Avi,
Am I correct?
Is mine correct?
that is correct, Avi, all. That the second one seems incorrect. Viraj, the first one is correct.
Wait.
Charan, yeah.
Are all of mine correct?
1 second, guys. Was my latex form correct? Yes, it was correct. Avi, yes, all were correct. Okay, let me quickly go through with you guys.
Did I get my answers right, Miss Priya? I did the first and second.
Yeah. Vihan, right? Second one, I don't know, guys. Second one, I have to do it and see. I feel. Why do I'm waiting for you to correct it? Did you correct it?
I corrected it.
Corrected what?
Did you correct the first one? First one, it is just that you made a mistake partially. Can you check? Akshat and Vihan, you got things right.
What I do?
No, you got it right. I'm saying. Vihan.
The first and second?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
I don't get the third question though.
You don't get it. Wait, Vihan.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
I don't really get
two were
it.
correct for you.
Miss Priya,
That's
can I
very good.
explain it?
Go ahead. Avi, go ahead.
So for number 3, all you have to do, so you see that square root sign?
Mm-hmm.
So you just cancel out this, like the radical sign and the square root, because well, those just cancel out, and now you have the same number, like as you started with, which is 46 billion.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, wait, 46,183,492.
Good job. So, see, square and the square root cancels each other because whatever is written in whatever is here can be written as this big number times that big number. So, for every 2 copies of the same number, one comes out, right? So, the answer to this is just 46183492. That's all. For the first one, I can write it out as this one maybe. Vaibhav, you tell me what were the prime factors.
I did 50 and 5.
50 and 5. So 55. And after that, how did you split?
50 into 25 and 2.
25 and 2. Then
25 into 5 and 5.
so let me write it down as 5, 5, 2, 5. Did you write everything inside? You missed the 5, right? Or, oh, I know what you did. Okay, you bring out the 5, but then this is 2 times 5, Vaibhav. So it is 5 root 10. That's okay. We'll move on. How about this? Second one, several of you didn't get it. Let me see. See, okay, let me erase it. It's so messy in here. Let me show you. I really want to cover another part, guys. Then only I'm going to let you go. So if you don't mind, you're going to stay for another 5 minutes. Okay, let's see. Here, when you think about it, see, this can be expanded as 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. This can be expanded as this. This can be expanded as this. Now, for every 2 copies of a number, you take, see, 2 power of 6.
That's
So
3 copies.
it becomes 2 power of 3 when it comes outside. You got it? Then 3 power of 2 when it comes outside, it becomes what?
3 to the power of 2.
3 to the power of 2 is inside.
I mean, 3.
When it comes outside, it becomes 3 because for every 2 copies of that, 1 is written down.
So it's 8 times 3 times 5 times 5.
Wait, ma. For 5 power 4, what happens?
5 power 2.
Yeah.
5 power of 2 because 5, 5, 5, 5. So what comes out is only 1 5 for this one, another 5 for this one. Now what can, guys, here, how did you guys do? Avi, how did you multiply this?
So we know that 2 to the 6th power all has equal groups. So you just do 2 to the 6th power, which is 64, and then 3 to the 2nd power is 9. So 64 times 9 times
Wait, how do you get 64? Shouldn't it be 8?
Yeah, did you do like that? Here we are doing this, right, Avi? We first square rooted it and then it became 2 power of 3.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so no. Now I really want you guys to know, tell me, how did you multiply this? How did you multiply this? There's a strategy. How did you all multiply this?
What I did is I did
8 times.
8 times 3 times 25.
Ah, that is
I did 8 times 25 first, which gave me 200
No.
times.
Wait. That is also harder, right? See, guys, whenever you see a combination of 2 and 5 in mathematics, it's so easy when you make up tens. So when you look at it, this has 2, 2, 2. This has 5, 5. So there are 2 5s and 2s. Do you see it? Make tens and hundreds, it becomes so easy. So now there is 100 times 6. Did you get it? So when you see a combination of 5 and 2's, make sure you make up a 10 or 100. That's the gold, that's a treasure that you can use for any calculation. So when you have a combination of 5 and 2, first multiply them and then it's easy to tackle. You won't make mistakes. Otherwise, if you do 8 times 3 times 25, you don't know the 25th table. 75 times 8, it's prone to errors.
I know the 25th table.
Great, then go ahead. Okay, I'm going to move on now. Okay, now, having said that, right, I really want you to tell me how to solve this. How to solve this one. Okay, how about this? How will you solve this now? It's very difficult to solve, right? But you know how to solve. How? How can you take out the square root? You have to take out the square root. What do you do?
Wait, I got the answer.
No, what do you do to take out the square root? I'm checking your answer, don't worry.
But do we send it in chat?
Do we find the value of x?
Yeah, you want to find the value of x, but what is the first step? Let me discuss. What is the first step? Correct, Avi?
What the square of 12 is.
Yeah, square both the sides. Remove the square root. Square root is so horrible to have. So square both the sides. That becomes x plus 6 equal to 144. X equal to
138.
138.
138. Subtract 6 on both sides. To remove that 6, you get 138. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay, now let's see this one. How about this? See, when you solve for square roots, right, you have to be very careful, guys. Why, I'll tell you. One thing is square root of a negative number. Square root of a negative number is not a real number at all. Square root of a negative number is not a real number. Okay. Here, when you think about it, look at this equation. They have given square root of something is negative. The question itself is incorrect. So x has no solution to it. There is no solution for x at all. Why? Square root of of some number is given as negative.
That's I then.
Answer, yeah. So square root, so in this case, right, you can say square root of a negative number does not exist, right? Meaning at least it's not a real number, right? So here, this, whatever is in here, square root of a negative, of something is a negative number is what is given. So you can say there is no solution to this problem. Ending up with x does not have any solution. Now, having said that, right, I'll quickly go through one topic. Square root of 2. How to find out square root of 2 on the number line? You know number line. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Isn't that 1.41?
Yeah, it's between 1 and 2. But how to find out? Let's say I ask you 46. Square root of 46. Where does this lie? Between which two integers?
Between 6 and 7.
How do you know?
Because the square root of 6 is 36 and square root of 7 is 49.
So, yeah. So, how are we going to find it for bigger numbers? So, here, let's write out 46. I want you to write out a square number before this and after this. What is a square number that is nearest to 46 before 46? Who can tell?
36.
36. What is a square number after 46?
49.
The square root of 46 would be closer to 7 because 49 is close.
So 36 is less than 46 is less than 49. Now let's take square root everywhere. What can I conclude? 6, square root of 36 is 6, less than square root of 46 is less than 7. When you think about it more closely, right? 36 to 46 is 10 units apart. 46 to 49 is 3 units apart. So square root of 46 lies between 6 and 7, but it is very near to 7. Why?
6.8.
46 is near to 49. I can say square root of 46 is near 7 than 6. Am I making things clear?
Yes.
Vaibo, did you follow?
Yes.
Should I repeat? Akshat, should I repeat?
No, I kind of get it.
Vihan, should I repeat? Okay, well, this thing, guys, I'm going to do it, okay? Square root of 156. Okay, on a number line, I need to understand where it is. Okay, let's see. Now, I'll write down 156. Write a square number before and after. What is the square number before? Who can?
144.
Huh?
144.
144. What is the square number after?
169.
169.
Okay, guys, next week homework is for you. Please listen. Next week homework, you have to memorize 1 square, 2 memorize 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Anybody can memorize. Memorizing is not a problem.
Wait, where do we go to? Yeah, I did that. I know it.
Till 30 square, you have to memorize and come. I'll ask questions in class. Okay?
I memorized it.
Yeah, me too. You told us this a while back.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know, but I keep telling, then only everybody will scale up, right? Maybe 2 or 3 would have done. Okay. So now 144, 156, 169. Put the signs, then take square roots on all. Now square root of 144 is 12.
12 less than
13.
square root of 156, which is less than 13.
So 150 square root of 156 is near 12 or 13.
12, yeah.
12. Good job. So I will write down it's near 12. It can be rounded to the integer 12, but it lies here on the number.
Estimated to 12.
Yes. Biraj, did you get it or do you want me to repeat?
I got it.
Okay. Last question to you guys. Can you round out round square root of 250 to the nearest integer? This one was an easy one. I should. Guys. This one is very easy. I don't want to do this, guys. Wait.
I can send it though.
This one was so easy. I didn't mean to give you this, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
16, right?
Yeah, it is nearest to 16. I don't want to do that. Okay. How about 186?
Class gonna end.
Now, after this problem.
Okay.
Round it to the nearest integer. Round this to the nearest integer.
Yes, Priya, I finished.
Yeah, this week, guys, I know I'm going to give it to you from the book, but at the same time, I'm going to give you extra homework. Square root of 186 lies rounded to the nearest integer. Rounded to the nearest integer.
Is that
Round
correct?
to nearest integer.
Oh, okay.
Arihan, that's correct.
Am I correct?
Correct. Charan, that's correct. Charan, round it to the nearest integer I asked you. Aradhya.
Miss Priya, did I get it right?
Me too.
Arhan, correct. That correct. Vihan, where are we? Vaibhav, correct. Vihan, where are we? Avi, correct. Vihan.
I was
Fast. Yeah. I saw that, ma. But would you be able to round it to the nearest integer, Vihan?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
is my answer correct?
Correct. Everybody's correct. Hey, Devan, what is your answer?
Okay, so can I leave, Miss Priya?
Yes, you can leave. If you're done, you can leave. But for the win, who wanted to? Please, let me note down. Vian, then
Vian.
Bye, Priyanti.
Bye.
who wanted to be in the for the win?
I
I did.
Okay, Aradhya, then who else?
Me.
All next week. Have a nice week ahead. I've noted these 3. Anybody else?
And me.
Me.
Wait, what was the for the win thing?
Sarvata, okay. Then it'll improve your mathematical skills fast.
Is my answer correct?
Yes, ma, Sarvata. It said that you were right.
I changed my answer.
Vian, Avi, Aradhya, Sarvata. I'm going to create the group now. I should not forget. 14, correct, ma.
Is my answer correct?
Viraj, correct.
Is mine right?
Yes, that correct that. Hey, Charan, did you send?
Yeah.
Okay, what was your answer, ma? What was your answer, Charan?
14.
14 is correct. Vihan, 14, ma, because see, Vihan, think about, see, you wrote down 169 and what else did you write? 144, right? 169 and 14 square 196, right? So this is 13, this is 14. Square root everything. This is 13, 14, but which is near 169 to 186 or 186 to 196? 196 is near, right? So you round it to 14, Vihan.
Okay. I have a question.
Yes, ma.
How did you get 169 and 196?
You find the square number that is lower, square number that's bigger than 186.
But how do you
need to
square number?
memorize squares. When you memorize squares, you'll know.
Miss Priya,
Square numbers. You got it? 13 square, 14 square. So take square roots. Akshat?
Yeah.
You get it?
Kind of.
Kind of. See, y means you have to memorize squares. What is 13 square? Do you know?
No.
So you have to memorize squares, then you'll immediately get 169 is a square number before 186.
Got it.
Make sense? So
Yeah.
the homework also for you to memorize squares till 30. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, good.
Can I leave?
Yes, Vihan, did you understand, Amma?
Yeah.
Okay,
Good.
bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.